Welcome to Art Fuse. My name is Farid Ibrahim. I'm here to teach you Adobe Illustrator. So in this video, we'll learn the new features of Adobe Illustrator CC 2024. So let's start. First, one new thing is text to vector graphics. So what is this? So you can see in here that text to vector graphics beta. So there is a lots of options, subject, scene, icon, pattern, lots of. So I have selected subject and type anything. Example, cute girl. Let's try. Do it first. It's very slow, right? I hope it will fix soon. Wow, it's cute. This one. Aha. And this one. Wow, it's very nice feature. Okay, very nice. So let's try one more. What to type? Blue apple. Let's try. It's not totally blue, but it's nice. It's a little bit greeny mix, I think, but it's very nice even. Okay, so the next feature is recolor option. So what is recolor? So example, this is one cute girl. Okay, so if you come down, there is a recolor option. If you don't find this is the properties. You can find it from here, Windows, and you can check it here and you can get the properties. Okay, so if you click in here and if you click in the recolor, there is a one dialog box. Okay, so what you can do it from here, you can choose color from your color library. Example, color books. Example, I need cool color. Wow, it's working very nice. Control Z, undo, nature color, flower. Wow, it's great. So there is one more option, color theme picker. So what is this? That means you can pick from any other object. Example, this one girl and this is apple. So I can take the all color from the apple to the cute girl. Okay, so let's try it. Recolor, color theme picker. Now click in here. Wow, it's great. So you can choose color from here also, from the color wheel also, and you can choose custom color also. If you have 4 color swatches, just click it from here and choose any color. Example, I have choose this one, I have choose this one. You can choose color from here also. I can choose this one, I can choose this one. Okay, now I group this one and this and recolor, color theme picker. Boom, it's great, but it's not looking good, but works very fine. Okay, the original this one. Now try this color theme picker. Great. So our next feature is Retype beta. Okay, so what is this? So example, I have this image and you can see this is totally rastered image. Okay, so how do you know that what is this font? But I need to edit it. So no need to worry because Illustrator has new feature now. The name is Retype beta. Just click in here. You can check it from here. Just press enter and it will scan it. Oh my god, it's great. So you can choose the right font from here. I think it's the similar font, and if the original font, they will search it for you. Just click in here and it will download the font and the file will be editable. It is very easy. I think it's changed already. It's great. Now you can type it from here. I think it's great. Now you can edit it from here. Wow, it's great. It's really nice. So this is a very unique feature. So our next feature is review. So what is a review? Example, I have made a design. Okay, so just check it from here, text to graphic, and just this one. So this is the design example I have made. Okay, so how can you share? You can just click in here, share button, and create a link. Just create a link, and have saved this one, and Farid, link name Farid, and create link. And after the link generate, you can send it to the clients. So this is very interesting feature and very useful. So just copy the link and send by through WhatsApp, email, and if you invite people, it's a little bit tough and critical. So I think this could be more better and more easier. Okay, and the next feature is dimension tool. Dimension. So example, if you have this, this, and this, so you want dimension here to here. What is the size? Okay, so there is a new feature is dimension tool. You can just click in here and click in here and drag it and 206 point, and you can change it from here. Document unit, I need example millimeter. Okay, there's a lots of option, linear dimensions, uh, everything is there, dimension lines, 1 point is everything, lots of features is there, fonts also there. So let's try it in here. I want from here to here, 72 millimeter. I want from here to here, 101 millimeter. I want example, there is one more option, radial dimension tool. I want from here, I want from here to here, 54 millimeter. So this is very important. And there is also angular dimension tool, from here to here, 90-degree. Great. Let me show something. Okay, now she shows, okay, from here to here, 53-degree. Great. So I hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you so much. Like, subscribe, and share. Bye bye.